On the next See Your House Now, the series.
This is as close to, a luxury hotel experience as you can get, but it's your personal home.
A sprawling retreat where high-end entertaining meets total seclusion.
So my favorite part of the home would be the kitchen.
From dual islands seating 14 to private athletic courts and a full-scale spa.
You've actually got a sauna, a bathroom, and a change room.
5 acres of custom-built luxury designed to stay in the family for generations. Plus,
we wanted that hand-rocked look in the stone, and we did sort of a messy joint, which gives it that old sort of French country styling.
A newly built 8,400 square foot French chateau in Waterloo's estate country.
We're right in town, but we also wanted that sort of feeling that we're out in the country, and it's very quiet here.
The builder takes us through this incredible home and shows us what's hiding behind the secret door.
Very good, come on this way.
And our homes of the month.
So you've got an outdoor heated saltwater pool.
Why this community set amongst the rolling hills of Flamborough meets the criteria for our monthly feature.
It's very hard to find modern homes that have a formal dining space.
And on-site with Habitat for Humanity Waterloo Region.
This is the room you give to your favorite child.
As a local family prepares to cross the threshold of their new home. And your market stats. Is the spring market heating up? It's your exclusive look inside some of the hottest listings around and the stories behind them. Join us for See Your House Now, the series.